Hello, today we are looking at the rare Portable Microprocessor Training Lab self-study computer from US-based Integrated Computer Systems Inc. It uses the 8080 microprocessor, a very significant CPU, because it helped spark the computer revolution. While there isn't much general information about the computer online, a lot of technical documentation has been uploaded. The computer appears to be from around 1978, with the particular lab I have from around 1984, going by the dates on the chips. It seems the computer was sold at least in the US and Europe, as ICS had both a US and European office. I got my training lab in the UK, and it has a power supply rated for both 115 and 230 volts. Lastly, there is a German video on YouTube showing the unexpanded version of the computer, which further supports sales outside the US. In this video I show an overview of the lab overall before I service and clean up, which will require taking apart the lab. So here we have the microcomputer training system, the main part of the computer. We have the 8-bit 8080 CPU, the RAM, ROM, keyboard and display, along with the control logic. There are 4 SRAM chips installed, each 1K by 4, so 2 kilobytes total, and with 4 empty sockets, that's a maximum of 4 kilobytes. Each ROM is 1 kilobyte. The main ROM contains the monitor program, which lets you enter and run programs, and is dependent upon for the demo programs contained in the other ROMs, which make use of the expansion boards. 25 keys make up the keyboard, which lets you enter hex values and also has a number of function keys too. Above the keyboard is the 8-digit 7-segment LED display, which is the main form of communication to the user, displaying mostly hex values. Lastly, there are a few LED indicators, expansion connectors, and auto step switch. So here we have the first expansion board, the ICS, which connects to the MTS, providing I/O ports, ADC, timers, and priority interrupt system. As you can see, there are a number of LEDs and screw terminals and tie blocks and adjustment pots too. Then we have the integrated experiment assembly, which plugs into the ITS. This has a loudspeaker, a motor powered by batteries inserted into here, a thermistor, opto sensor, some configuration switches, and a couple of adjustment pots, as well as some tie blocks. So over here we have a flap, and inside the pocket I'll show you there's this tape. So this is for course 536, as there are a number of courses for this lab. And there are some resistors and wires as well. And here we have 2 cables. The documentation does say it was supposed to come with 2 audio cables, but I don't understand what the 3.5mm was for. The phoner would likely plug into the back of the MTS, and then a cassette player so you can load the demo software contained on the tape. And then the other thing here is this envelope, which has what looks like the case keys. So I just wanted to show, if you can see this metal triangle here, this is the power supply, which supports the MTS and also powers it, and in turn the other add-on boards. So this is the power connector coming in, and you may be able to make out where the mains cable goes in. And here is the other end of the cable. As you can see, it's a UK plug, very dirty. I'll need to clean that up. After I surface the computer, I will do a follow-up video showing how to use it. Until then, if you have any experience or thoughts on the training lab, do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.